LED screen manufacturer relocated from Shenzhen to Zhongshan with a yearly capacity of 50,000 square meters. Let's see.
We even have an LED cinema here. Please come in.
Oh, wow, I thought this was a warehouse. Turns out it's a cinema.
Wow.
Wow, that's impressive. It's really close. The 3D effect is amazing.
If you go up to the front, you can even interact with it.
Horror movies here are scary.
Yeah, exactly.
This is super high definition. It's a micro LED display screen that's exported to the US, extremely clear.
This is the production workshop for mini COBs. Oh, I forgot, it's the dust-free workshop.
Oh,
This is a full nitrogen reflow soldering machine.
we have a lot of these machines. How many do we have in total?
We've got over 300 of them, almost 5 to 700 million yen worth, and that's still not enough to fill the entire production line on this floor. We're doing SMT right now.
Oh, open this up. Wow.
The monthly production capacity is about 2,000 square meters.
But it looks like you basically don't need anyone here to watch over things, right?
We only need one person per production line.
This machine here is called the printing station.
Looking at this whole line, is it really possible for just one person to handle everything here?
Yeah, it's possible.
It is, right?
Yes, as long as you load the boards and fixtures properly and push them in, it'll automatically start printing.
Boss said you also came here from Shenzhen, right?
That's right.
As a new Zhongshan resident, you're staying here now, right?
Yeah.
Those big curved bottles are made like this. It's actually pretty simple. Just snap it downwards. This part comes off, and why can it be curved? Because the LED here is flexible. It can bend up to 45 degrees and be used in different scenarios. There's a magnet, so you just snap it on. The sealing is really good. Can you step on this?
Yeah, this is a 4-tile bottle.
Step on it.
Sure.
Can I get on it together with you?
Yes, you can.
Oh,
You can step on it, no problem.
so this is basically like the TV we use at home, right?
Right.
Even from where I'm standing, the picture is really clear.
You can reach a 180-degree viewing angle with no blind spots.
This here is the original circuit board. It has this luminous surface, and on the back is the driver's side. Using this machine, we need to attach our components to different positions on the driver's side. Yes, let's flip it over and take a look. Hey, these are the components from above. They have a textured, uneven surface, and they can be connected to a power source. On this luminous surface, we also need to attach the wafer because it's a light-emitting component. You might not be able to see it clearly, but if you touch it, the area with the wafer feels kind of frosted and is already raised. Once everything is attached, this guy here will run a test on it. Are there any defective points? Like, are there any spots that don't light up? Do you do random checks, or do you check every single one?
Every single one. On this surface alone, there are over 90,000 chips here.
Wow, so
Yeah, over 90,000
over 90,000.
this year.
Oh, so the finer it is, the clearer the image, right?
Right, the higher the density, the better.
You just pick it up like that? Shouldn't you power it off first?
It has power off protection.
Oh,
It's really simple to connect up.
so even someone like me, a total layman, can do it? All right, let me give it a try.
Try it.
If I break it, Dad will be mad.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Uh,
Okay, that's it.